Hi, this is Carl Anderson with MarineMax Charleston, just off Daniel Island, and today I'm going to take you through a 2020 Scout 251 XSS. Starting off with the boat's exterior, this model comes in the full hull gel coat. You can see the entire portion of the boat is in that full hull black. We have this boat equipped with the Midnight Edition package. So the rub rail is also black with the stainless steel insert. The forward grab rails have black powder coating, as does the framing on the hardtop, the rocket launchers, and the powder coating on the leaning post. The 251 XSS does feature a double-stepped hull. This is a boat that can do speeds of around 60 miles an hour. As far as optional equipment, starting here at the back, we do have a fiberglass wedge to mount a power pole. We have a 300 Verado from Mercury, V8 4.6 liter engine. On the port side, access to the boat is through a telescoping boarding ladder that encloses inside that door. You've got a 10-inch jack plate, which is standard on the 251 XS. Before we make our way inside, the backrests of the stern seats are currently in the down position, which gives you a nice casting platform back here. We've also got raw and freshwater pumps at the transom. The leaning post, you've got 4 rod holders and 3 cup holders along the back with a stainless steel grab rail and an upgraded Yeti cooler beneath. Both of the bolsters work independently of each other, so the driver can lean while the passenger sits. We've got upgraded JL speakers. Also with the Midnight Edition, a portion of the console is also black to match. At the helm, got an upgraded Edson steering wheel, trim tabs with LED indicators, Fusion Bluetooth stereo, got a 10-inch Garmin touchscreen unit with a through-hole transducer, of course digital throttle and shift on this boat. Got rod storage here to the starboard side. Above we've got some aircraft style toggle switches, LED lighting, more LED lights aft, along with a storage bag built into the hardtop. More rod storage here to the port side. Coming forward, this is a really versatile area. With all of the cushions in place, this is a great boat for doing some cruising or some day trips to the beach. All of these cushions do easily remove, and because of their size and shape, they easily stow inside the console with this hatch that opens forward, which I'll show momentarily. These backrests also very easily remove. You want to get them out of your way. So when you do want to fish this boat, easily take all of these cushions up, get them out of the way. You've got a casting platform here that does convert to a adjustable table, and the stanchion for that table is also stored inside the console. If I open this up, so you've got a lot of room for storage. There's the stanchion for the table. Our stereo head unit is located here. Battery charger as well. So this boat is ready for a trolling motor. You can also put a porta potty in here. You've got storage beneath the bow seats. Storage here in the foredeck as well. This can be used as a cooler or a fish box. It does drain. Further forward, we've got our anchor locker, and we've got combination rod holder cup holders So obviously they can hold either a rod or a cup, but this can also be used to hold the stanchions for a bow sunshade kit that you would connect up to the hardtop so you can completely shade the bow of the 251 XS. Get these stern seats upright. You got full beam seating, really comfortable seats. And then beneath the seats, you got live wells and release wells, along with cup holders. Just a really fun, versatile boat for Charleston. Great for fishing. Certainly one that can handle inshore and offshore, but also a great family day boat as well. And arguably one of the best looking boats on the water. Again, this is Carl Anderson with MarineMax Charleston, just off 526 off Daniel Island. Give us a call at 843-747-1889, and always check us out online at marinemax.com. Thanks for watching.